Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So EpicEffects 2246 from Australia. Let's try Smith-Morra. Maybe with F4 or not with E6, I think. So he doesn't mind accepting the gambit. What's this bishop c5 business? Can I put the bishop over here and the rook here? Oh, I don't really want to double the pawns. I think I want to play knight d5. Oh, it's the trap. It's the trap line with knight d4. Does knight d4 really work here? If I play knight d5, no, I think I need to get out of this trap line. An elegant way might be for bishop g3, just to defend h2 like that and still play for knight d5. So knight d5 I think is on the cards. Knight d4, bishop g3. Okay, so I'm defending h2. If he takes here, he's almost like losing a piece actually on g4. Check. Almost. If I take with the g pawn, knight e5, there's knight d5. Was there? Not really. Maybe taking and no, there's f4. Knight moves f5. Knight moves. Where does knight move? Then there might be other stuff going on. The f-file. Queen takes. Queen f4. Yeah. Let's have a look at this. With f4. So knight g6 f. Knight c6, knight d5. He hasn't really developed pieces. Surely I can just play knight d5 if knight c6, almost. Or queen g4, castles. This one just seems it's with tempo. King still in the centre. Takes knight d4 with queen d4 for Rxc7. So there's like f5 here. Takes. Anything else? Can I hit that queen? There's rook c5 for knight c7, winning the rook over there. Rook c5, knight c7, take the rook over there. I think the knight comes out after.
Check.
Because there's f5. He wins it there. Okay. Queen d6. Knight c7 with f5 check. Queen d6. Right, so bishop here. King. If f6, there's bishop e6 there. Maybe that's cool.
Check.
If king e8, knight c7, but bishop e6 winning that pawn there could be interesting. Also, there's e5. Does he really play g5? He plays g5. Does he play g5? Just fg. Yeah, I think this is fun as well with his king there. He's going to really waste time putting his queen on a8. Is that really the case? Queen g4 also would have been interesting. Okay, that's a lot of pawns over here. My king's there, so that's his point. Can I just try and use this diagonal instead? Bishop G3. I want to get a raging king attack. Maybe not. Right, if I try and open this up here, he's always got E5. That's
Check.
fine. And this diagonal with B5. Okay, sort that one out. Alright, I want to play bishop G3 at some point. He's coming out of things.
Check.
Oh, now I'm in trouble. There's a check here.
Check.
I think I'm in big trouble. There, what have I done? Queen B6. Takes an F3. That's not good.
Check.
I can't get out of this. There's Queen G2. Queen F2 is knight D4. King G1. Material situation. Okay, material's not too terrible.
Check. Check.
Well, there's Queen F6 check actually. Has he helped me with that? I wonder if he might have inadvertently given me a bit of help there. Because this Queen F6 is knight E2.
Check.
Oh, it's check though. So maybe taking knight F3. There's bishop E1. No, there isn't bishop E1. Queen E5, knight F3. I take E3, B4, Queen F2, Rook F2, knight F3, King F1. Queen E5, knight F3 takes. No, I don't want to lose the exchange. Maybe like this sort of move is. I don't know. Play Queen E5. There's always knight F3. Yeah. That's a real pain. B4. It's got knight E. No, it's knight E2.
Check.
9 seconds.
Check.
Oh, he's playing these checks. I want B4 and Queen A6.
Check.
I'm going to be running out of checks though.
Check.
Hang on, I'm winning C8.
Check.
I've got King H3 here.
Check.
Right, I've got Queen G4. Queen C1. Queen. I don't know how to get rid of his knight. Oh, Queen F7. Queen F7.
Check.
Oh, okay. Is there no?
Check. Check.
I might have to bail out for a draw here. I can't.
warning.
I can't see what to do.
Check. Check. Check.
Yeah, it was a fun one. It was a fun one. Oh, blimey! Oh, the engine's gonna laugh about this game. I reckon. It's this is just too much. Knight D5 immediately. Come on. Simple, man. when the engine checks it. It's looking at millions of positions. This one. This should have been
Check.
okay. G takes right. Oh no. What's going on here? F4 now. F5. Oh, that's just a disaster, isn't it? He shouldn't have got away with. He got away with murder, so to speak. Even this position. I mean.
Check.
Queen G4. I thought Queen G4 as well.
Check.
But this was okay. Surely. Right, Queen G4 again was looked at. Just FGs. I'm wondering about this. This position, a little bit scary, but maybe no problem. Bishop F6. It's better than what happened in the game. If he tries this business, yeah. But actually, that is a liability there anyway. So I would actually have better king safety taking that and holding that position. As I say, the engine sees millions of positions. It's
Check.
easy for engines. But here, yeah, I started going wrong, didn't I? It looked as though I was going to lose.
Check.
I'm worse here now.
Check. Check. Check.
Did he miss something? Queen D5. He's better here. Yeah, I've
Check.
been kind of. Rook C8, yeah.
Check.
Right,
Check.
so this is. He blundered the rook.
Check. Check.
And it still didn't
Check.
matter.
Check.
I couldn't. I don't know. With 38 seconds. Okay, nearly 30 seconds, right?
Check.
Alright, what's this queen?
Check.
Check here. How does this work? Queen
Check.
F7. And say goes here. Queen takes H5. All right. Okay. Just eliminate that.
Check.
H5 pawn was a pain. And here, yeah,
Check.
I just don't know. I think I just.
Check.
Okay, so Queen H7. Oh, okay, yeah, that would be a way. But yes, running out of time here by this stage. Fun game. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.